Hello, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at Senpex, a delivery service that's been making waves in 2025. We'll explore its main features, discuss the pros and cons, and by the end, you'll know if Senpex is the right choice for your delivery needs. Let's dive in. Senpex offers a variety of services tailored to different delivery requirements. Here's a breakdown of their key offerings. This service focuses on same-day deliveries, ensuring your packages reach their destination promptly. With an instant order feature, placing a delivery is quick and straightforward. Senpex Nationwide. Partnering with top national carriers. This service provides comprehensive shipping solutions across the USA, offering a seamless experience for nationwide deliveries. Transportation management software. Senpex provides software that simplifies delivery operations, assists in planning efficient routes, and enhances customer satisfaction with swift deliveries. Multi-routes optimization. Utilizing proprietary technology, Senpex identifies optimal routes, helping drivers complete multiple stops faster, saving both time and delivery fees. Now let's weigh the advantages and potential drawbacks of using Senpex. Pros: AI-optimized routes. Senpex's use of artificial intelligence ensures efficient route planning, leading to faster deliveries and cost savings. Diverse service offerings. From same-day local deliveries to nationwide shipping and specialized services like commercial moving, Senpex caters to a wide range of delivery needs. User-friendly platform. The platform is intuitive, making it easy for businesses and individuals to schedule and track deliveries. Flexible courier opportunities. For those looking to join as couriers, Senpex offers flexible roles with competitive earnings, accommodating various vehicle types and preferences. Cons: limited global reach. While Senpex has a strong presence in the USA and parts of Canada, its international delivery options are limited compared to some competitors. Variable availability. Some couriers have noted that work availability can fluctuate, making it more suitable as a side gig rather than a full-time job. Dependence on technology. The heavy reliance on technology means that any technical glitches could potentially disrupt services. Final verdict. So, is Senpex the best delivery service for 2025? If you're seeking a reliable, technologically advanced platform for local and nationwide deliveries within the USA, Senpex is a strong contender. Its diverse services and commitment to efficiency make it a valuable partner for both businesses and individuals. However, if your needs include extensive international shipping, or you're seeking a full-time courier position with consistent work, you might want to explore additional options. That's our review of Senpex. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights. Have you used Senpex? Share your experiences in the comments below.